And good morning from the Rooster Inn Observatory. The sun. These were the sunspots that I was following yesterday. They are obviously rotating, moving. The sun rotates around its own axis about once every 25, 26 days. We have some filaments here. I just adjusted the hydrogen alpha tuner uh, to get as much sharpness as possible. And let me see what's going on with the solar flares, the prominences at the edge of the sun. Let's go to 125th of a second. Okay, reasonably clean. The same ones we saw yesterday, the one on top. And a few around. Let me see if we increase exposure a bit. Nothing out of the ordinary, just a few solar flares. I shall do due diligence by taking a quick capture for further processing. Taking 1,000 frames that I will stack later on. Although my experience with solar flares has been picking one of the better frames rather than stacking. All right, right down here looks like there is one long solar flare shooting out. As soon as this capture is done, we're going to try to see if we can get some more fidelity on it. It is there, barely visible. Nothing to write home about. Let's go back in, take a quick look at the surface. A quick capture. Again, sunspots are supposed to occur in pairs. So there is a pair, there is a pair, because they're caused by the electromagnetic fields. And if you remember your electromagnetics courses, they go out and back in. Filaments are essentially prominences that are being looked at face on, so to speak. Solar astronomers usually prefer to use a monochrome camera to image the sun, and then they add their own colors. I am using a ZWO ASI 120 color camera, high speed, that gives me what it is seeing in the sun, other than some major attenuation of the light to prevent the sensor from melting. All right. This is the sun this morning. Now, if the sun is out in the sky and I'm getting it on the telescope, it means it's a good time to go running. And that is the plan now before it gets too hot. Temperature is a very, very pleasant 52 degrees. Call it 11 Celsius. Ideal shorts and t-shirt running weather. As the days get shorter here, as the nights get shorter and the days gets longer, our ability to do much nighttime observing is very limited. Even the early morning planets now are harder to see. So we'll be doing a lot more sun coverage, solar observation. So with that, I wish you a happy Friday, good weekend, and talk to you later.